Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by laying the goggles on a soft cloth and confirming lens orientation. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Once done, hold the frame steady with one hand and find the valve tab. Use a fingernail or a small flat tool to gently pry at the valve edge. You want to release the clip without flexing the frame. Make small, deliberate movements. If you feel resistance, pause and reposition so you avoid cracking the lens or stretching the gasket. Once the first tab gives, continue around the perimeter, releasing each valve clip until the lens is free. You should inspect the frame channel and seals, removing dust or adhesive residue so the new lens seats properly. Now pick up the replacement lens, align its tabs to the frame slots, and insert at the nose bridge first, then press outward toward the temples. Make sure each valve snaps into place. If one resists, back off and realign rather than forcing. Because you finish by pressing each valve tab firmly until you hear or feel a click. That confirms the lens is locked. Once seated, flex the frame gently and check the field of view and gasket contact. Then clean both sides with a microfiber and apply anti-fog if desired. If the lens pops out or shows a gap, stop and reseat the tabs, inspecting the gasket for nicks or debris. This is the single most common issue, and correcting alignment or replacing a damaged gasket fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.